Welcome to Little Big Book by Chancel Landry, honoring Native American heritage. Wovoka, also known as Jack Wilson, was a Paiute religious leader who played a significant role in the development of the ghost dance movement in the late 19th century. Wovoka claimed to have received a vision during a solar eclipse in 1889. In this vision, he saw the return of deceased ancestors, the restoration of native lands, and the renewal of traditional Native American ways of life. He preached that participating in the ghost dance, Native Americans could hasten these events and bring about a new era of peace and prosperity. Wovoka's message spread to different tribes, including the Lakota. Facing increasing pressure and hardships from the encroachment of European settlers, and the U.S. government found hope in the ghost dance as a means of spiritual empowerment and a way to overcome adversity. The movement gained momentum in the late 1880s. In December 1890, tensions escalated at Wounded Knee when the U.S. authorities became concerned about the ghost dance and its perceived threat. The ghost dance incorporated dancing, prayers, and singing. Participants believed that by wearing special ghost dance shirts adorned with symbols, had special powers and would protect those that wore it during the ghost dance ceremonies. The dance and associated rituals were seen as a way to communicate with the ancestors and the Great Spirit to bring about positive change. The U.S. government, alarmed by the movement's rapid spread, misinterpreted the ghost dance as a militant and potentially rebellious movement. This misunderstanding led to increased tensions between Native American communities and the government. The ghost dance movement reached its height in the winter of 1890. On December 29th, near Wounded Knee Creek on the Pine Ridge Indian Reservation, tensions escalated in South Dakota. The U.S. Army, fearing an uprising, confronted a band of Lakota Sioux who were performing the ghost dance. A conflict ensued, resulting in the Wounded Knee Massacre, where hundreds of Lakota, including women and children, were murdered. The ghost dance movement ultimately faded away after the Wounded Knee Massacre, but its impact on Native American history and culture was profound. It highlighted the desperate conditions faced by Native American communities and the government's often brutal response to their attempts to preserve their traditions. The ghost dance remains a symbol of resistance, resilience, and the ongoing struggle for Native American rights and recognition.